Hey fam, and welcome back to another video with your girl Nat. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made this delicious apple cinnamon dump cake. It was super easy to make, only 3 ingredients. So on your way in, if you can hit that like, comment, and also subscribe. And don't forget to hit that post notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my content. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So y'all, like I said before, this is going to be a very easy and simple recipe to make. It only takes 3 ingredients. I literally have 1 stick of butter, 3 cans of apple pie filling, and then you can use any box cakes of your choice. And then you'll need a crock pot. So I already turned my crock pot on high, and I'm going to go ahead and add my cans of apple pie filling to the bottom. Next, you're going to add your cake batter on top, and you're just going to make sure you get it nice and covered to make sure all the fruit is covered. Now I'm just patting everything down just to make sure everything is nice and covered and I don't have no clumps in my batter. Now I'm going to add a generous amount of cinnamon crumble on top, which if you do not have cinnamon crumble, it's literally cinnamon, brown sugar, and some graham crackers that's blended up fine, very well with butter. This part is optional and you do not have to add it. I just want to add a little extra flavor. Now we're going to add our butter on top, which I sliced these evenly, and we're just going to place them all across the top, because as this melts, this is going to make your batter become fluffy. So make sure you put enough butter. You don't have to worry about it being or looking like it's too much. Trust me, it's going to be delicious. Now we're going to cover this for about 3 hours, and I'll be right back to y'all. And just like that, you guys, look at that ooey gooey, nice apple cinnamon dump cake. Like, look at that caramelized edges, and it came out so good. But you guys already know how I get down. I gotta have me some caramel, and I also had to have me some whipped cream on top. So let me go ahead and fix up my plate. So this is me adding my caramel on top. I just love caramel on top of my apple crumbles or apple pies. Anything with apple, I gotta have some type of caramel on top of it. And now with the whipped cream, just to top it off. And just like that, you guys, here go my dessert for tonight. I really do hope you guys try this. So thank you so much for watching. Until next time, you guys, peace.